Samsung is minus 4.31% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 21st, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is down 4.31% to $244,000 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $240,000 and $257,500. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices' rise, set for positive week after soft jobs data cools rate hike bets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ mixed as chip stocks rise in weight for big tech earnings. Yahoo Finance. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Kotak Mahindra Bank made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.57% to 389.95 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Kotak Q1 FY27 presentation, 23% profit growth, asset quality improves, investing.com. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $413.35 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Rocket Lab dropped sharply minus 2.78% to $65.74. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Rocket Lab, RKLB, is down 8.6% after Space Force hackers win reshapes defense services narrative, Simpliwalled ST. Space systems manufacturing, solar panels, reaction wheels, radio frequency components is generating reliable cash flow that cushions launch market volatility. Any tactically responsive space contract win with the US DoD would directly boost near-term Electron revenue. The long-term re-rating catalyst is Neutron's maiden flight timeline. Bajaj Finance climbed plus 2.54% to 1,064 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bajaj Finance Q4 profit rises 23% on strong NI, lower provisions, business standard. AUM growth guidance and credit cost assumptions are the two numbers that drive the stock. Any upgrade to AUM guidance signals demand confidence. Any deterioration in 90-plus day delinquencies is the early warning. The cross-sell ratio, products per customer, is the moat metric to track. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.